Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. Today we are going to extract wine which we had kept for 21 days. If you have not seen a video how to make wine, I request you to check on the screen on top and you will find the link to our previous video that we had made. After making the wine, the next day we had to begin stirring it. So for 21 days we had to continuously stir the wine, and then on the 21st day we need to open it, and this process will show you how to extract the wine from the grapes which we had kept for 21 days. We had made the wine for 21 days using plastic bottles. Now we will be transferring the wine to glass bottles. Going forward, we will try to use porcelain jars or bottles in the near future. By the way, I want to apologize for the background sound. It's raining over here in Bangalore. So it's a very beautiful day to extract the wine and have good and tasty wine. We have taken this video on day 1 after making the wine. Now we see that the yeast has started to work and we see a slight filament of bubbles appearing on top. The next step is to stir the wine. We need to continuously stir the wine for the next 21 days, and after the 21st day we'll see what will happen. We have taken the second video where the wine after 7 days of fermentation. Now we see again the yeast has continuously started working and there's a thick filament of bubbles that has appeared on top. We have been continuously stirring the wine for the last 21 days, and on the 21st day we have taken this video, and let's see how the wine is. After opening the bottle, we need to first stir the wine thoroughly. As we had opened this bottle on the 21st day, the smell that has come out of this bottle of wine is truly amazing. The next step is to take a clean, dry bowl. Please ensure there is no water in the bowl, or else please wipe it. Wine. Please ensure there shouldn't be any water in the bowl or the bottle which stores the wine, else the wine will get spoiled. As we take a closer look into the bottle, we find that the wine has come on top and the grapes have settled to the bottom of the jar. As we get the wine and the utensils ready, the next step is to keep a clean, dry strainer ready on top of the vessel to collect the wine. Before we pour the wine into the strainer, we once again stir the grapes and the wine together to ensure all the sediments are mixed up. The next step is to lift the bottle carefully and pour the wine into the strainer. As we pour the wine, we need to stir so that the wine falls directly into the vessel and the grapes are caught on the strainer. As we pour the wine and grapes into the vessel, there is a lot of sediments of the grapes falling into the strainer, which we need to extract all the juice out of this pulp. Please ensure to pour the wine slowly into the strainer, else the wine might spill outside and make a mess of the place, and we will also waste the wine. Simultaneously, we need to stir the pulp on the strainer so that the wine starts flowing directly into the vessel and it does not overflow. As the sediments of grapes gets caught into the strainer, we need to use a spoon to smash the grapes and extract the juice that flows into the vessel. We need to extract as much juice as possible with the help of the spoon by smashing the grapes with it. Now we see that we have crushed most of the grapes with the help of the spoon. The next step is to use a hand and extract as much juice from the grapes as possible. Personally, I feel extracting juice with my bare hands is much easier and I get more juice out of this. I feel it would be good to use cloth initially instead of using a strainer, as it will be more effective in extracting the juice. The next step after placing the grapes into the cloth is to extract the juice by wringing the cloth like how we fold a chocolate paper. By folding the cloth in such a way, we can extract more juice out of the crushed grapes. As we extract the wine out of the grapes, let's see some of the benefits that homemade wine can give us. Firstly, studies show that if we drink 30 ml of wine every day, it helps us to live longer. Wine drinking helps to remove short-term memory loss because it has something called resveratrol, which helps to improve our memory. Next, we need to keep the wine for some time so that all the sediments of the wine will settle down. After an hour, we had poured the clear wine into the bottle using a clean, dry funnel. Please ensure not to fill the bottle to the brim because there's every possibility of the wine spilling out or the bottle breaking because fermentation still takes place. In order to get a better color for the wine, we need to mix sugar along with this wine and heat it together. And once the mixture is dark brown in color, mix that mixture along with the wine so the color will be dark red. We need to fill the bottles slowly. For this, we need to pour the wine slowly into the funnel. But as we fill the funnel, we need to lift it up a bit so that the air which is trapped into the wine bottle will allow the wine to flow evenly. Now it is pretty much tempting to have this wine as we fill the bottles. Please ensure to fill the wine to an appropriate level, else there's every chances of the wine overflowing and falling out. Now for 1 kg of grapes, we have got 4 bottles of wine. And now our wine is ready to be served. We can serve it chilled. Enjoy it. As we store the wine for many years, the taste of the wine will also improve, as well as the color will also change. Well, if you have the patience, do try it. It's good. I hope you liked watching our video in making wine. And I would encourage you to try this during this period of lockdown. Anyways, we are simply sitting at home though. I request you to please watch our video and share it with your friends so that they can like and share and subscribe to our channel. As always, thank you for watching, and until our next video, take care. See you soon.